and today I have my friend Kelsey with me.
Hi.
And we are going to make some edible chocolate chip cookie dough.
I think that's everybody's dream, really.
Isn't it? So I have half a cup of melted butter, and in here there is 1 whole tablespoon of cannabis butter. Because I like to do my edibles pretty mild, so we can eat more of them. But why don't you go ahead and add this to our bowl.
Perfect.
We have half a cup of granulated sugar, and that's a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. To that, we are also going to add a half teaspoon of salt.
There we go.
And then we're also going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Ooh, look at that brown sugar.
I know. There's something amazing about the combination of sugar and butter that always just smells so good. I also have here 1.5 cups of flour. Now, did you know that you're not supposed to eat raw flour?
No.
Right? So you know how you're not supposed to eat raw cookie dough because of the eggs. You can get salmonella from the eggs. But you can also get sick from the flour because it carries bacteria. You could get E. coli. You could get, yeah, I know, right? 2 reasons why we're not supposed to eat raw cookie dough now, guys. Oh. But this I actually spread in a baking sheet and I baked for 5 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven just to kill all of that bacteria.
So smart.
Right? You can also microwave it. So we're gonna add this flour. I'm just gonna fold that in. Beautiful. If the cookie dough ends up being a little too dry, we can also add milk to kind of make it creamy.
How much milk do you think?
Like a tablespoon at a time until it gets to the consistency that we want. I also have 1 cup of chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips because I think they taste better. You guys can see that it's kind of crumbly, so we have heavy whipping cream that I'm just gonna add a little bit to. And we're just gonna add a little bit at a time until it becomes the consistency that we want. Here we go. It is starting to take shape a little bit now. I have 2 scoops. They're both 1.5 tablespoons, so we each get a scoop.
You know.
So we're just scooping our little cookie dough balls.
Yeah.
And then we can also kind of form them to ball shapes because they're flat on one side. And well, that's about it.
Oh, this is a big, nice cookie dough ball.
Look at our cookie dough balls, guys.
And like this would be like great to put in the freezer.
Yeah. Keep
And
them
just
for
like,
later.
have them like as like a
Anytime snack.
All right, almost done.
Okay, we're almost done. Look at that. Maybe 2 more. So we're gonna try some.
All right. Cheers. Yep, that's exactly.
Oh yeah. That's good. That's really good.
That's exactly what I wanted. I honestly needed this today.
Oh, this is so good. I'm gonna eat like 5 of these. Ugh. Thank you so much for my friend Kelsey for joining me and helping me make these cookie dough balls today. And thank you guys again for tuning in. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe and share this video and all of those really cool things. I also have a Patreon page that's linked in this description section. And I think that's all the things that I say at the end of a video. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.